Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture. So in this video lecture, we are going to cover our another short story, The Telltale Heart by Edgar Allan Poe. It was first published in 1843. This short story is a masterpiece of Gothic literature that explored themes of guilt, madness, and the dark depths of the human psyche. Before going to know about the story, let us have a brief look about the writer, Edgar Allan Poe. He was born in 1809. He called by many the father of detective story. He was the son of English-born actor and actress Elizabeth and David Poe. When he was 2 years old, his parents were passed away. In 1835, he secretly married his 13-year-old cousin. Edgar Allan Poe was an American writer of short stories that explored themes of death, regret, and lost love. He got classical education in England at University of Virginia. Poe was also known as poet, author, editor, and journalist. Later, in January 1845, he published his poem The Raven for instant success. It was a narrative poem written by him at the age of 40 on October 7, 1849. Poe died in mysterious circumstances. The cause of his death is still unknown and has been variously attributed to alcohol, heart disease, suicide, and other agents. So that's all about Edgar Allan Poe. Now enter to the story. But before entering to the story, let me make you know that this story is narrated in first person by an unnamed man. Now have a look on its character. The narrator, the unnamed protagonist and unreliable narrator of the story. He claims that he is not insane but exhibits clear signs of madness including paranoia and obsession. To the old man. His guilt overwhelms him, leading to his confession when he imagines hearing the dead man's heartbeat. Now the second main character is the old man, the victim of the narrator's obsession and being killed by him. He is described as having a pale blue eye which disturbs the narrator. The another character, the police officers. They arrived at the old man's house after a neighbor hears a scream. They remain calm and polite, unaware of the crime at first. Their presence intensifies the narrator's guilt, ultimately causing him to break down and confess. Now let's know the themes of the story. Guilt and madness. The narrator's mental instability and overwhelming guilt are central to the story. After the murder, the eye continues to haunt the narrator. He hears the heartbeat of the dead man, which symbolizes the overwhelming guilt. Obsession. The narrator's fixation on the old man's eye demonstrates how obsession can consume and destroy a person. Now let's move to the symbol of the story. Darkness. The setting of the story often involves darkness, which symbolizes the narrator's mental state and the evil within him. The darkness represents the unknown and the fear that comes with it, reflecting the narrator's inner turmoil and madness. The heart. The heartbeat that the narrator hears after committing the murder symbolizes his overwhelming guilt. It represents the truth of his action and his inability to escape the consequences of his crime. Now let's move to the summary of the story The Telltale Heart. The story is narrated by an unnamed man who claims that he is not mad but instead hypersensitive. He lives with an old man who has a pale blue vulture-like eye that disturbs him. Driven by obsession and paranoia, the narrator decides to kill the old man to get rid himself of the eye. Over several nights, he carefully plans the murder in very careful manner. For 7 nights, he was keep visiting the old man, and on 8th night, he entered and successfully killed him. Then he dismembers the body and hides it under the floorboards. However, when the police arrives to investigate, the narrator becomes increasingly agitated. He hears a sound that he believes to the old man's heart is still beating beneath the floor. He was overwhelmed by guilt, so he admitted his crime because he couldn't hide his guilt. So that's all about the short story, The Telltale Heart. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video helpful to you, then take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get timely notification about new content.